All right, so welcome again to Military Gun. This is a short video. This is a frustration video, a very frustrated video. Smash that like button on this video. It won't be long. I doubt it will pass 2 minutes. But anyways, when will JFF drop the squad? What is it that JFF is waiting on to drop the squad? I am getting extremely frustrated. I have been reloading, I have been refreshing, I have been reloading, refreshing. The entire day is about refreshing and reloading. The entire day. There's so much anxiety. All I'm hearing is there's going to be uproar when the squad is dropped. Everyone is going to be mad when the squad is dropped. That's all I'm hearing. But I'm not seeing the squad. I'm not seeing the squad. Everyone is speaking as if they have seen the squad and they won't speak about it, which makes no sense to me. If you see the squad, tell us what the squad is. If everyone is going to be so upset about the squad, let us know what is it that we're going to be upset about. Then if you have the squad, if you're seeing the squad, let us see the squad. But in the same sense, so let me show you something, guys. So Magee back at it already. He actually scored. Well, why did he score? He featured in a preseason friendly for KAS Eupen, KAS Eupen, as the guys can see, and they won the game 2-1. And I didn't see much of the game, but I'm just letting you guys know that Magee is back on the pitch and things are looking fairly well for Magee at this point in time. But people, all I'm saying is, where is this squad? What is happening with the squad? Why is JFF taking so long to let go of the squad? They said it will be today, and now at my time, it's 3:19 p.m. So, JFF, big up Magee for stepping out again for the friendly. But JFF, come on, let's go. We need to see the squad, JFF. We need to see the squad. Everyone is waiting. Smash that like button. Military Gun TV people. And a frustrated video. Exactly, extremely frustrated video.